Now that you've built your deck, you're going to put your deck boards down. Before you do that, you should really consider protecting the joists and the beams. And one of the best products that you can use to do that and give yourself peace of mind is G-tape. G-tape is a revolutionary joist sealant tape for a number of reasons. One is it's really easy to just tear by your hand. You can just rip it like that, compared to butyl tapes and asphalt tapes. If you've ever seen butyl tapes, it's kind of that gooey mess that's under here, and if you try to cut that, it gets all over you. It's a real mess. The other nice thing is that with this material, if I can show you here, pull this apart here, there we go. So I got a little piece here. You can stick it together and rip it apart, and that actually is an amazing thing when you're on a job site. So what you can do here is you can put this down. It's got just the right amount of tack. If you need to adjust it, you can adjust it. You can't do that with the polybutyl tapes. And it goes down in -20 or up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and no one's going to be around when it's that hot, but the point is that it's got a huge range of use. And over time, over 2 or 3 days, this is going to meld into the wood and just make a perfect seal. Other thing is, because it's an acrylic adherent, it dissipates heat and light, whereas the butyl and the asphalt tape, they break down in sunlight. So this is a really, really inexpensive way to basically buy an insurance policy for your deck. It'll make it last much longer, and it'll be a real breeze to work with. So if you want to protect that deck, get some of this. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.